Have you ever heard of a Lazels puzzle? They are these handcrafted titanium limited edition jigsaw puzzles that are super tiny. Look at that piece right there. This one's alpine. The coloring on each puzzle in the series is different. I love mine so much. I display it in a clear case. However, the case doesn't do it justice. I bought this clear metal holder to display my Lazels so you could see both the front and back of it. But it really doesn't do it justice. It's plastic. It's kind of cheap looking. Even the clear plastic is getting kind of cloudy. So I received this package from Lazels, and I'm really excited to unbox it. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful looking? It says Lazels on top. Oh my. Look at it. It's wooden. I think there's these little screws. Let's see. Okay. So if I just loosen it enough, I can pick it up by the screws and not leave any fingerprints on it. Alright. Let's move my puzzle over. It looks amazing. The black velvet really sets off the shine of the titanium. Let's see. And the velvet felt slightly padded, so there's a little bit of pressure to hold the puzzle against the glass when I screw it down. And it looks like there's a little metal rod provided. Alright, let's put this down for now. So there's a little metal rod provided at the back, and I can use it to screw that in. Alternatively, you can hang it. There's also space for hanging. And there's 4 little velvet feet. And I love how the glass shows off the colors in the puzzle. It really does transform the puzzle into art. This frame seems big enough that I could put any of my Lazels puzzles in it, but this one's my favorite because of the colors. So I'm probably going to keep it like this and display it permanently. It's such a pleasure to be able to share this puzzle and frame with you. Lazels puzzles are very special. If you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing. Until next time, happy puzzling!